Hello everyone, this is Tate, the lawn cutting and rail fanning musician. Sky is cyan. There it is up there. And I'm going to take a look at this bulldozer. We just had to get a new one. The other one gave out. I don't know what exactly happened to it, but the other one gave out. So here it is. It's actually the same one that I actually rode on. So this is it. That's that right there. Kind of looks just like it, and there's the engine on it in the back.
Is that the fix? Is that the fix? Is it fix?
Hey. Alright, YouTube, sorry about that. But there it is. There's the dozer. Yeah. This is why I don't film kids. I know YouTube, this video is not meant to be violated or anything. This is just a video. And here it is. This is the dozer. In fact, I'll come around this side unless you'll see it from the other side. So this is the back of the dozer. And there it is. And we'll come around here and we'll let you see the front of the dozer. Well, this side of the dozer. And there it is. There's that side. And there it is. That's a beautiful bulldozer. And it's just like the dozer that I rode earlier. He's actually about to come and start it up again, hopefully. And so there it is. It's parked in our driveway. I'll get a close-up of it. There's the tracks. There's the blades. There it is. The back of the dozer. You can see over here. Here it is, the bucket. And there's the side of the dozer. There it is. And so that's the dozer. Hopefully, I'll get a video of it being started. I'll pause this right now. Alright, so, sorry about that. Here's my brother still drives the dozer, and so we're still clearing that out because me and my brother are going to have our own little place right there. So we're taking the bulldozer to it. There it is. And so, well, I'll probably get a startup video of it, which will be in this video. It kind of does look like a huge lawnmower. I mean, it really does, but it is a bulldozer. And so around here we have, there's the blades. Okay, there's where you stand on. It's kind of like a zero-turn mower. There it is. I'll go around this way for y'all. Here's where the front of the dozer is. There's the blade and the bucket. And it's one of those little stand-on dozers. It's got an actual cab on it. I mean, most bulldozers do have cabs on them. But anyways, there it is. There's the bulldozer. In fact, this is not the same bulldozer that we were using earlier. It's a different bulldozer. No, this is just me showing y'all some cool things that are kind of like lawnmowers and weed eaters, and also how it relates to RGB and the RGB color lighting and stuff. Because if you think about the way the sun is, because green light is being subtracted from the white light on the bulldozer, therefore given the yellow color. And so there it is. And right down there is the track. Kind of go around here. There it is right there. You kind of see everything where he bulldozed everything right there. Gonna walk around the dozer. And so there it is right there. There's the blade in the bucket. And there it is. And you can see down there, there are the tracks where the bulldozer runs along. So there it is. And we'll do a startup for y'all. So there it is. There's the dozer. I'll go ahead and pause. Well, YouTube, now that the sun is not too bright, we'll show you what the bulldozer looks like without the harsh glare from the sun. There it is. Come around here. And here's the track system with the dozer. There's the tracks. There's the engine. Like I said, we're bulldozing all of this back here. This is where me and CJ's we're gonna put our new home. Me and and in fact, CJ's my brother. So yeah, that's the guy who was on the bulldozer with me earlier. And so we're gonna have a tiny home, and that's where I'm gonna have a studio, and you'll be able to see that in another video when we get that put together. So we'll do some RGB videos in there, and we'll do some other videos and see how well the light casts through. And there it is. Right down there is the track system. That's how the bulldozer gets around. Like I said, that other bulldozer broke down, so they had to bring up another one. So this is the one we have now. So this is it right here. And hopefully he'll come back out so we can I can show y'all what this bulldozer does in action without me on the bulldozer, without me being on the bulldozer. Well, I'll show y'all some off-ride dozer shots of this bulldozer in action. But yeah, there it is. And you can actually see that cyan up in the sky. That sky is actually more of like it is a cyan, but it's more of a darker shade of cyan. It's more closer to blue rather than cyan, but it's still technically a shade of cyan. And there's the dozer. Well, YouTube, I figured while we were waiting for maybe the next bulldozer round, I figured I'd do an RGB color round for y'all on the ceiling. Red, green, blue, yellow, magenta, cyan, white, red, green, blue, yellow, magenta, cyan. Alright, YouTube, there we go. There's an RGB color round. So,
let me know when you find the bad boy again.
sorry about that, YouTube. Anyways, we'll do some complementary colors and I'll just end the video for today. Alright, go down in there. No, we'll go up here. Alright, YouTube, I'll just end the video here, and thank you for watching.